Why we must stop fishing and eating fish before it's too late. The fishing industry is any activity that involves catching, processing, and selling fish and seafood for either recreational or commercial purposes. Around the world, more than 500 million people depend on the fishing industry for survival. The fishing industry has a significant impact on the environment as well as health. So, number one, let's have a look at the damaging fishing techniques used. Fishing directly damages those marine habitats. The amount of degradation caused by the fishing industry depends on the specific technique utilised to catch fish and other seafood. One of the most detrimental techniques used is called bottom trawling, in which fishermen drag a net along the bottom of the ocean floor. It's also known as dragging. Bottom trawling disturbs the bottom of the seabed, stirring up significant amounts of sediment and damaging the coral species Lophelia petusa. So, number two, let's have a look at the consequences of overfishing. In order to meet the rising global demand for fish and seafood, the fishing industry has been overfishing in increasingly larger areas of the oceans. Overfishing occurs when fish populations are reduced to below dangerously low levels, resulting in reduced growth, resource depletion, and sometimes unsustainable population sizes. This practice has been linked to the ruin of several ocean ecosystems, as well as reduced catches for many fishing companies. And this is particularly true in the North Sea. So, what can you do to help the environment, especially if you eat or like fishing? Define your daily fishing limits per species, limit the number of days at sea, put a cap on the number of fishing boats allowed in one area, prohibit spears and bait, set minimum mesh sizes, and place restrictions based on seasons.